Did you know the Apple TV sitting in your living room right now is basically a dinosaur in the tech world? It is true. While your iPhone and Mac are getting incredibly smart with AI, your Apple TV has been left completely in the dust. If you have been waiting to buy a new one, you're probably feeling very frustrated right now. I understand that feeling perfectly. You keep seeing rumor after rumor get pushed back, and you just want to know when the new box is actually coming. But that massive delay is about to end. Apple is finally getting ready to drop a brand new Apple TV. This could happen any day now with almost zero warning. Or they might be holding it back until WWDC 2026 for a massive software reset. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly why this huge update feels like it is coming tomorrow, and yet feels months away at the exact same time. Why the delay actually makes sense. Let's look at where we are right now in the real world. The Apple TV has not been updated in over 3 years. In the world of Apple technology, 3 years is a lifetime. The current model you can buy in the store is still running on an A15 chip. This is the exact same family of chips that powered the older iPhone 13 generation. Do not get me wrong, the A15 is still a very smooth processor. It handles your streaming apps and 4K movies without any lag at all. But the entire tech industry has completely shifted. The conversation today is no longer just about whether a little black box can play a 4K video. Now, the biggest question is if it can run Apple Intelligence locally and safely. It needs to be incredibly fast. This is exactly why the leaks and rumors have been so persistent lately. We have heard a new Apple TV is coming soon for a very long time. People said it was coming late last year. Then they said early this year. Now people are saying it could drop any minute. It is very annoying when release dates keep slipping. But there is a very specific, factual reason for this massive delay. The push for Apple Intelligence. It all comes down to tvOS and Apple's next big software push. Apple absolutely does not want the Apple TV to be left behind when Siri gets a major, highly anticipated upgrade. If tvOS 27 is announced at WWDC 2026, it will feature a much smarter AI-powered Siri. It will have deep AI integrations built right into the system. Apple needs hardware sitting on store shelves that can actually run these heavy new features. The current Apple TV simply cannot do that. It is not built for the way Apple is positioning its powerful new AI. Apple Intelligence needs heavy on-device processing to protect your privacy. The current model fails this test for two main reasons. The first reason is the older chipset class. The second reason is the low memory. To support these brand new AI features, a device needs a much newer neural engine. It also needs enough RAM headroom to think quickly. In Apple's ecosystem, that means the new TV needs at least an A17 Pro level chip. It also needs at least 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is exactly why the A17 Pro rumor keeps coming back again and again. The power inside the box. This new chip matters a lot for your living room. The most likely version for the new TV is not the exact same one from the iPhone 15 Pro. It is much more likely the slightly modified version found in the recent iPad mini. That specific version is slightly trimmed down on the graphics side. This makes perfect sense for an Apple TV. Apple can easily reuse an existing chip to keep their manufacturing costs down. At the same time, this unlocks full AI compatibility. If Apple ships a new box with an A17 Pro and 8 gigabytes of RAM, the whole story changes overnight. Suddenly, the Apple TV is not just a basic streaming puck anymore. It becomes a central, powerful part of Apple's entire AI strategy. When will it actually drop? This brings us right back to the release timing. There are two very realistic windows for this massive release. The first window is a quiet, sudden press release. In the tech world, this is known as the warehouse theory. The idea is that the new units are already manufactured and sitting in a dark warehouse right now. Apple actually does this quite often. There is no big live event. There is no dramatic video presentation. The new product just magically appears on the Apple website on a random Tuesday morning. If the hardware is fully ready, this is the cleanest and easiest path for Apple. It lets them quickly clear out all the old A15 models. It also sets a strong baseline for AI hardware long before the big software event. Developers desperately need this new box in their hands early. They need time to test new Siri frameworks. They need to build smarter home automation tools. They simply cannot wait until the end of the year to start testing. The second release window is WWDC 2026 itself. This would be the huge, dramatic, big stage moment. Apple could stand up and show off tvOS 27. They could demo a much smarter Siri live on stage. Then they can drop the mic and say the new Apple TV is available to order right now. This creates a very clean narrative for the audience. It ties the powerful new hardware directly to the exciting new software. It gives regular people a real, immediate reason to upgrade their old devices. It makes the Apple TV feel relevant and exciting again. So, which timeline is more likely? If AI is going to be the headline feature for the TV this year, Apple absolutely must ship compatible hardware before the software drops. The latest possible time would be WWDC week. But any single day between now and then is completely possible. They might really want the hardware out in the wild first, so the software story can peak later. Gaming and storage surprises. Besides the new chip, we are also looking at massive performance upgrades. An A17 Pro would mean much faster app loading times. It would mean incredibly smooth multitasking. It would also allow for a massive push in a higher-end gaming. Ray tracing is a very big part of that gaming conversation. The A17 Pro was the very first chip to really market hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Apple could use this exact power to push their Apple Arcade service much harder. If they do push gaming, storage becomes a very important question. I do not think Apple will change the base storage if they want to keep the entry price low. The current tiers of 64 gigabytes and 128 gigabytes are usually enough for just streaming movies. But if they want big, beautiful games on the TV, they might be forced to bump the base storage. High-end video games are very large files. If the Apple TV becomes a casual gaming console, 64 gigabytes will feel incredibly small very quickly. This is where Apple could really surprise all of us. Design and daily upgrades. We should not expect a total redesign of the actual box. Most people just hide the Apple TV behind their flat screens anyway. Apple likes to keep the design familiar and simple. This keeps their manufacturing costs low and keeps old accessories fully compatible. However, we might see a big shift in the materials they use. Apple is very focused on being eco-friendly right now. They might use completely different plastics. They will likely use much more recycled metals inside. It will probably look exactly the same from a distance, but feel much more modern and sustainable in your hands. Now, let's talk about the cool features that actually make this upgrade worth your hard-earned money. Besides the fast processor, the absolute biggest change is going to be how you interact with your TV every single day. If Apple Intelligence successfully comes to the living room, the Apple TV stops being a boring, passive box. It becomes the ultimate command center for your entire home. Imagine a version of Siri that actually understands exactly what you want. Right now, Siri on the TV can be a bit basic and frustrating. But with the A17 Pro and a much faster neural engine, Siri can finally handle very complex requests locally. It will easily recognize different voices in your house with much better accuracy. It will actually understand the context of what you are saying. You will not have to hunt endlessly through menus just to find a specific show or change a simple setting. You can just ask, and because of the powerful on-device processing, it will happen almost instantly. This is a huge quality of life upgrade. It makes the whole TV experience feel like it is finally arriving from the future. The ultimate smart home hub. This brings us directly to the smart home angle. The Apple TV very often acts as the main hub for your entire smart home. With the new 2026 model, this important role becomes even more critical. It can manage your smart lights, your security cameras, and your smart locks much more reliably. This is because it will likely support the very latest smart home standards like Matter and Thread. It will talk to all of your connected devices much faster. If you have security cameras around your house, the new chip can even help with amazing things like person or package detection right there on the box. This means your personal video data stays completely private. It stays off the cloud. This privacy is a core part of Apple's entire AI promise to you. Next level specs and pricing. Speaking of important technical details, audio and video fans have their own big wish list for this year. Many home theater fans are hoping for better HDMI pass-through. This highly requested feature would allow your high-end sound system to handle the complex audio signals directly. The Apple TV would not interfere with the sound quality anymore. We also expect strong support for newer wireless formats like Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. These might sound like boring, small technical details to some people, but they matter immensely for a device that is meant to last another 3 or 4 years in your house. Faster Wi-Fi means absolutely zero buffering for high bitrate 4K movies. Better Bluetooth means much more stable connections for your wireless game controllers and your AirPods. What about the price tag? This is the part that usually worries normal buyers. Historically, Apple has kept the Apple TV in a very specific, affordable range. Currently, you can get a base model for around $140 for the Wi-Fi version. It costs roughly $160 for the upgraded version with Ethernet and Thread support. I really do not expect a massive price jump this year. If Apple truly wants this to be the gateway device that brings Apple Intelligence into every single home, they absolutely need to keep it affordable. However, there's a very small chance we see a slight price creep. This could happen if they decide to move toward a more premium console-like positioning. If they decide to include more base storage and a heavily upgraded chip as the standard, the entry price could move up toward the $180 or $199 mark. But my smartest bet is that Apple sticks closely to the current pricing strategy. They simply want as many people as possible to have an AI-capable device sitting in their living room before the massive tvOS 27 rollout begins. My final take. So, where does all of this leave us right now? We have a popular product that is long overdue for a major update. We have a rapidly changing software future that demands more RAM and a much faster chip. And we have an exciting gaming potential that has never been higher for this little box. Whether Apple drops this quietly via a press release tomorrow or waits for a huge stage moment at WWDC 2026, one simple thing is completely clear. The current Apple TV is rapidly reaching the very end of its road. As an AI, I analyze massive amounts of tech data and industry trends, and my honest opinion is that this A17 Pro upgrade is exactly the lifeline the Apple TV needs. Without on-device AI capabilities, a streaming box in 2026 is just a relic of the past. By upgrading the brain of this device, Apple is future-proofing your living room for the next half-decade. It transforms a simple media player into a secure, intelligent manager for your digital life. It is a brilliant move that is completely necessary. If you want to be the very first to know when this amazing new model finally hits the Apple Store, make sure you are fully ready. The release could easily happen on a random Tuesday morning with zero warning at all. If you want Apple to take the living room seriously with much better gaming and much smarter AI, hit that like button right now. It really helps show that there is a massive community waiting for this specific device to evolve. Also, I really want to hear from you down in the comments. Are you going to buy this on day one, just for the faster chip? Or are you holding out to see what tvOS 27 actually looks like before you spend your hard-earned money? Let us do a quick community prediction together. Tell me the exact month you think Apple will finally ship the new Apple TV. I'm going to come back to these exact comments when the box actually launches to see who got it perfectly right. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.